Welcome, everyone. I'm Charlie Matthews with the Empowering Industry Podcast. And today I am actually doing a knowledge shared with the Vibration Institute. I am excited about this. Met you guys and just fell in love with the organization. Can't wait to hear more about it. So, Janine, I'm going to let you start by just introducing yourselves and we'll pass it around.
Sure. My name is Janine Komornick. I'm the manager of operations here at the Vibration Institute. I've been here a little over 3 years. I'll just say our main functions without going to our mission. Our main functions are training, certification, membership, and we have an annual training conference. We are also about 25 miles west of Chicago, currently in Oak Brook, Illinois, soon to be moving to Naperville, Illinois.
Awesome. And we will get into that education and training. I can't wait. All right, Jeff, go ahead.
So just going over our mission.
First introduce yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Jeff Brand. I'm with the Vibration Institute. I've been here for about a year now, and I'm in charge of membership. Our membership is actually worldwide. We are on actually 6 continents right now.
What?
And hoping to make continent number 7, but Antarctica is a little bit difficult to connect with.
I actually have an engineer from there, a tradeswoman actually, that from there that's I can connect you with. Antarctica.
Yeah, connect her with us. Then we can complete the picture there. So
yes.
But yeah, I take care of membership and all the things involved with it. Also, conference is a big part of it. Janine and I have been working on that ever since the one ended last year, and it's been going great. We're really looking forward to it this year.
Wonderful. And Eric, can you introduce yourself?
Yep. My name is Eric Anderson. I've been with VI since November of 2020. I'm the training and certification specialist here. So my main job is to produce the examinations and deliver them on a timely basis and then grade them on the back end. So I'm kind of in charge of making sure everyone gets certified and gets the correct and fair results.
Wonderful. Okay, so a little bit about y'all and what you do. And then, I think we should dive into the mission, Jeff. Like everybody has, their idea of what you do, but what is the mission?
Well, our mission is to disseminate practical information on evaluating the behavior and the condition of machinery without commercial interest. So basically monitoring machines, and what they do as far as, keeping them from getting to the point of failing. Mm-hmm. And then if there is an issue with failing, then, people can intervene through vibration analysts. The Institute offers a variety of programs, including education, training, certification, and opportunities for technical knowledge and exchange. Our members share information, procedures, and cutting edge data through formal training. So I think about vibration and being in the pump industry, I think of like a noisy pump, and therefore like, how do you fix it? And so we have to be trained, right? We have to be able to know, what do we do in this situation, for example? And so I'm just glad that there's these resources out there. And I know you're connected with other organizations. You go to different events out there. And so looking forward to seeing you along the way this year as we go around to conferences. But I'm really excited to learn about yours coming up in August. It's in Savannah, Georgia, which is beautiful. But tell us a little bit about what to expect from the event. Well, we're actually going to have over 40 vendors there this year, which is coming out of COVID is huge. Absolutely. I mean, COVID really kind of put a damper on a lot of things. We didn't have our conference in 2020, and then we came back last year, which we had a big turnout last year in Arlington, Texas. So we're going to have over 40 vendors this year. And then we're looking forward to getting out and actually seeing everybody again. And everybody's also been contacting us and wanting to know about what we're going to have there. And it's going to be a lot of vendors, a lot of the cutting edge technology is going to be on display. So
definitely a testament to membership, right? And getting people involved and being able to see them is a big part of that.
Oh, huge. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think we've been cooped up for so long, not to harp on the COVID thing, but it's really been traumatic for everybody across our industry and pretty much every industry on the planet at this point. And getting out and getting back together and people being able to, say hi and shake hands again it's going to be something else. It's great.
Yes. And we can talk about it. We all went through it. So, and are continuing to kind of figure out, how to manage going back to work
and the load that comes with working. And we want to make sure that we're educated and we have a community. Janine, is there anything else that you want to add there?
Yes, I could talk about our technical program. It's actually really great. I would say it's great every year, but this year, Bob Sayer, he's our past president, he put the program together. We have Tuesday pre-conference workshops. We have 6 that day. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is our main conference. And we have specialty tracks, which are new this year. So each day has tracks throughout the day. I'll name a couple of them. We have a very long list of them. IoT, sensor technology, equipment specific pumps, PD blowers, electric motors, conveyors, compressors. We have case study, a whole case study track, data management, AI tracks, systems engineering, failure analysis. We also have just general tracks, human performance, signal processing, signal conditioning. Yeah, there's a lot. We also have an academic and research track from college students as well. So for the Tuesday pre-conference, attendees can earn 0.8 CEUs, an additional 2.4 Wednesday through Friday. So if someone comes to the entire conference, they can earn 3.2 credits for attending. So it's going to be a really great conference, in terms of, exhibitors plus our education program. We also have a reception Wednesday and Thursday night for attendees. We have 2 classes that are going on at the same time, our CAT 1 and CAT 2 classes. They go on at the same time. For attendees to attend the classes, they can go to our Expo and reception free of charge.
So I have a question. So I was
Sure.
just looking at the registration, and there's like a champion ticket, which I thought was just a very interesting. And I wondered, like, do I get to be a champion? Is that where I fit in as far as everything goes?
Anyone, yeah, we have sponsorship levels. We have exhibitor, and we also have sponsorships. Supporter sponsorship, champion sponsorship. So the championship is the top tier. Jeff has been working on that, so he could speak more on that.
Yeah. Well, I just think it's great. And I think that there's so many different ways to get involved. And so Eric, I'm going to turn it over to you. Tell us what we did or what we missed and what we can see from an education and certification standpoint. I know, Janine, you mentioned a lot of it, but Eric, what from your perspective?
So regarding conference or just in general?
Well, yeah, both. That would be great.
So the students are going to be, there's going to be 4 different classes held in Arlington, and then we're going to have some in Georgia for the conference as well. But what's important for the students and employers when it comes to our examinations is we're accredited by 2 bodies, which is ANSI, which is the American National Standards Institute, and ANAB, which is the ANSI National Accreditation Board. And we're the only accredited vibration monitoring company that, so for students and certified vibration analysts, they know their certification is held at the highest standard. And we received our ANAB accreditation in March of 2010. So we've been
doing this a while. Yes.
Yep. And then for the employers, our certification validates their employees' skills and knowledge that results in better service on their end, support, and customer satisfaction. And the fact that ANAB is internationally recognized and meets those highest standards, it brings in a lot of different international companies that work with us as well. So we have a big clientele base domestically and internationally.
I was excited about that. I didn't know that starting out. So to be able to connect, also just companies that have offices in, both spaces, if you will, is really wonderful. And
it's good for students to know that we don't offer some traditional cookie cutter type program. There's a lot of routes they can go in attaining their certification. We currently offer correspondence courses, which is kind of like a self-study where they're shipped their materials and they can study at their own pace and then schedule the examination when they're ready. We have our instructors who go out to the courses and will teach in person. So students who like learning in person from an instructor, they have that option as well. And then coming in the future, we'll be offering online courses. And we know with the whole years of COVID, it was hard for a lot of international students and analysts to get that type of training. So we're very excited for the online courses coming up, because I think it'll give people more options, especially if they're not able to travel very frequently.
Yeah, I think we do have to, give both options moving forward. I mean, some people have realized, okay, they may not want that setting as far as going out in person, and they still need the training, like you said. I think that was one of my fears, is like, who is going to train and certify these people, so that we don't go more in the hole, if you will, for our workforce, because it's so important. We need the training. And they need the certifications to level up in their careers and stay in the industry. So I'm excited, like I said, about, knowing that we've got a successful conference coming up. You know that already, all of your hard work. So you get to, move offices and then, celebrate getting all together with the conference. Is there anything else that you want to leave our audience with?
Or conference, or in general?
Just in general. Yeah. I think, I guess maybe each of you could kind of close out with something for the audience would be good.
Well, I'm excited about this coming year is actually our 50th year at the
Wow.
Vibration Institute.
Congratulations.
So 50 years is pretty extraordinary. And not to mention, coming out of, the pandemic and everything else, and everybody getting back together, we're looking forward to it. The conference is going to be great this year, and it's going to be great to see everybody. You've been talking to so many people, getting them signed up for conference, and it's going to be great to actually see them in person and say like, hey, good to have you back.
Yeah, I know you.
Yeah.
I've met you through a Zoom meeting. So, that's always fun for me, especially like the people that I meet on Instagram and different areas on social. When you meet them in person, it's also almost like you run to them, because you've seen them. Eric?
Kind of piggybacking off that, it's really exciting conference time, just because working in the office, you don't realize how big the industry is and how many players and people are in it. So coming together for the conference and seeing all the exhibitors and the attendees who are genuinely interested in what the exhibitors have to offer, it's just a very exciting time for everyone involved.
Yeah, you mentioned the exhibitors, and so will they have tabletops there with like their displayed equipment, or just kind of the banners with information? What does that normally look like?
I think that runs kind of all across the spectrum on that one. Yeah. Some people come with just, basics amount of stuff. Some people come with whole things set up, and it's a lot of interactive stuff too. So yeah, I think it's more towards the side of people. They bring a lot of things that are interactive, things you can see and take part with. And then some people just keep with the basics, but it's definitely more the interactive for sure.
Wonderful. And Janine, did you think of something?
I did. One thing we did leave out, I guess, it should probably be in our mission. Maybe one day we'll have to add it in, but we're a nonprofit association too. So, I mean, we do have membership. We have individual membership, student membership at a lesser rate with proof of student status, international and US membership. We also have group membership for companies at 4 different levels. That includes individual members and other benefits, discounts on advertising, our career center, access to our portal that has other information, our Vibrations magazine. We have technical articles, videos, training videos. We have webinars. So we have a lot of benefits of joining VI as a member. So we have people who are certified through us and people who are members, some are both. So we have a lot of opportunities here.
Absolutely. And I'm going to get into the lingo and say it was really great to learn about VI. And I hope that everybody else will, follow along, and come and visit the event. If not, just reach out to y'all and ask questions. But if they want to get in touch with you, what's the best way?
Well, they can go to our website. You'll find our emails there. Also, they can contact us through our phone number, which is 630-654-2254.
Wonderful. All right. Yep. Thanks, everybody. Look forward to hearing all about it.
Absolutely. It's great talking to you, Charlie.
Thank you.